This week's challenge is to try a new fish or seafood.
And when we're talking about fish and seafood nutrition, fish is obviously a good source of protein, but also many are high in those heart-healthy fats, so those omega-3 fatty acids, something good to add to our diets.
Yes, so starting with our website, we've got lots of recipes there for everything from salmon to tilapia, scallops, shrimp, lots of different seafood and fish options there.
Yes, so get some inspiration there. If you're looking for something a little bit easier, we have our one-step prep microwavable bags, which have lots of different fish and seafood options right in there. So you literally just pop this in the microwave, and it's done within a matter of minutes.
And if we're looking for an even easier option, we can go for these salmon and tuna pouches. So they come in lots of different flavors, which is really fun. They're super simple. They don't need to be refrigerated, so you can just toss them in your bag. You can mix them with like a Greek yogurt for a sandwich spread, toss them on salads. You can even just eat them straight out of the pouch.
And for something even easier, I love these chicken of the sea infusions because the fork is literally right in there.
Love it.
Doesn't get easier than that.
No, it doesn't.
So good luck, have fun, and we'll see you next week.